हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू लर्नर्स पैराडाइज। आज हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं सर्कल्स, जो कि क्लास 10 ICSE बोर्ड का है। हम अग्रवाल की बुक फॉलो कर रहे हैं बच्चों। एंड अगर आपने अभी तक और भी मेरे वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो प्लीज़ देख सकते हैं। हमने काफ़ी चैप्टर्स कवर कर लिए हैं एंड आज हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे सर्कल्स। ठीक है बच्चों, तो चलिए देखते हैं क्या क्या है सर्कल्स में, हमें क्या क्या समझना है। देखिए, अगर आप पहला पेज देखें अग्रवाल की बुक का, तो सर्कल का डेफिनेशन दिया हुआ है, जो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको आता है। ठीक है बच्चों, उसके बाद कुछ कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मैं आपको समझाऊंगा, जो बेसिक चीज़ है शायद आपको आता भी होगा बच्चों। कॉर्ड किसे कहते हैं, सेगमेंट किसे कहते हैं, आर्क किसे कहते हैं, सेक्टर किसे कहते हैं, है ना। तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं, 4-5 वर्ड्स है जो आपको समझना है बच्चों। ठीक है, उसके बाद इस चैप्टर में हम लोग कवर करेंगे बच्चों एंगल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अ सर्कल। उसके बाद साइक्लिक प्रॉपर्टीज है एंड फिर टैंजेंट्स एंड सेकेंड्स। ठीक है बच्चों, तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं। एंड शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है, आपका कुछ बेनिफिट हो रहा है, तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर ज़रूर से ज़रूर करें ताकि उनका भी फ़ायदा हो सके। ठीक है बच्चों, ये वीडियो से ना केवल आपका पैसा बच रहा है बच्चों, आपको काफ़ी टाइम भी बच रहा है। आपको इधर उधर ट्यूशन्स में जाने के लिए जो टाइम लगता है, ट्रैवलिंग टाइम, वो बच रहा है। एंड एट द सेम टाइम ये सब वीडियो से आप कभी भी जब आपको डाउट्स हो रहे हैं, आप रीप्ले करके आप देख सकते हो बच्चों, है ना। तो काफ़ी फ़ायदा है बच्चों आप लोगों को इन वीडियोस का। इन टेक्नोलॉजी को आप अगर अच्छे से यूज़ करें तो आपको कहीं कोई कोचिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है बच्चों। ठीक है बच्चों, तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट करे हम लोग कंटिन्यू करते हैं सर्कल्स। तो आप लोगों को तो पता ही है सर्कल्स क्या होता है। रेडियस के बारे में मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप जानते हैं कि सर्कल, अगर ये सर्कल है तो बच्चों सेंटर ये हो गया ना, एंड रेडियस ये हो गया। अब रेडियस की एक प्रॉपर्टी क्या है बच्चों कि रेडियस सब इक्वल होते हैं ना। रेडियस तो इक्वल ही होंगे, ये आपको पता ही है बच्चों। ठीक है, अब इसमें एक चीज़ आपको क्या सीखना है बच्चों, तो आपको देखना है कि अगर ये सर्कल है ना, ये अगर सर्कल है बच्चों, तो इसमें ये तो रेडियस कहला रहा है। तो ये अगर हम यही टुकड़ा लेते हैं बच्चों, है ना, तो ये टुकड़ा सोचो, ये O हो गया, ये A हो गया, ये B हो गया। अगर हम सिर्फ ए बी बोलते हैं बच्चों, तो 2 पॉइंट से आपको पता है कि लाइन बनती है ना। क्या लाइन बनती है? स्ट्रेट लाइन बन सकती है बच्चों, है ना। तो अगर हमें इस लाइन को दर्शाना है बच्चों, यानी दिखाना है, इस लाइन को हमें शो करना है, तो हम ए बी केवल बोलेंगे तो नहीं होगा बच्चों। यहाँ पे हम एक सोचो सी पॉइंट ले लेते हैं, ये वाला पॉइंट। तो अब हम अगर ए सी बी बोलेंगे ना बच्चों, तो ए सी बी क्या कहलाएगा? आर्क। आर्क क्या होता है बच्चों? सर्कल का ये जो आउटर बाउंड्री है ये कहलाता है सरकमफरेंस बच्चों, है ना। तो सरकमफरेंस का जो टुकड़ा है, कुछ टुकड़े को हम लोग आर्क बोलते हैं। तो अगर देखा जाए तो ये कौन सा आर्क है? माइनर आर्क। अगर हम लोग छोटा लेते हैं, एंड हमारे पास 2 ऑप्शन बचते हैं बच्चों। देखो, एक तो ये आर्क हो गया, ये आर्क। आर्क क्या है बच्चों, ये चीज ध्यान रखना आपको कि ये एक लाइन है ना। ये 1 डायमेंशनल है, ये चीज आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि ये 1 डायमेंशनल है। और इसके बगल में जो ये बड़ी वाली है ना बच्चों, ये वाला कहलाता है मेजर आर्क। ये माइनर आर्क, ये मेजर आर्क बच्चों। ठीक है, मैंने आपको बताया कि 2 पॉइंट से हम लोग लाइन बनाते हैं, तो आर्क डिनोट करने के लिए आपको 3 पॉइंट्स चाहिए बच्चों। ठीक है, तो ये जो आपको समझ में आ गया। चलिए, आर्क किसे कहते हैं हमें समझ में आ गया। अब आर्क से रिलेटेड चीज हम समझते हैं। देखो, आर्क मैंने बताया 1 डायमेंशनल है बच्चों। अब आर्क और ये रेडियस मिलके, है ना बच्चों, ये रेडियस मिलके, जैसे ये O हो गया, ये A हो गया, ये B हो गया, एंड हमने इसको दे दिया C, ये पॉइंट को C दे दिया बच्चों। तो आपको पता है कि ये OA और OB रेडियस है और ये आर्क है। तो ये जो आर्क है ना बच्चों, ये जो एंगल बना रहा है, ये एक एंगल भी बना रहा है, ये चीज आपको ध्यान में रखना है, ये बाद में आपको प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एंगल्स में काम आने वाला है। लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम हम देख रहे हैं ये एक रीजन को भी घेर रहा है, मतलब बाउंड्री बन जा रहा है। ये रेडियस और ये आर्क मिलके एक एरिया कवर कर रहा है। तो इस एरिया को हम लोग बोलते हैं बच्चों सेक्टर। क्या बोलेंगे? सेक्टर बच्चों, ठीक है। तो उसी तरह से अगर ये एरिया को हम लोग माइनर सेक्टर बोलते हैं, तो ये एरिया जो इसके बगल में है, ये एरिया क्या कहलाएगा बच्चों? ये वाला एरिया कहलाएगा मेजर सेक्टर, ठीक है। तो इस चीज को आपको बड़े ध्यान से समझना है कि आर्क किसे कहते हैं और सेक्टर किसे कहते हैं। आर्क वन डायमेंशनल है एंड सेक्टर क्या है बच्चों? टू डायमेंशनल है। एरिया है, ये क्या है? ये एरिया है, ये एरिया है, और ये क्या है? लाइन है बच्चों। आर्क क्या है? लाइन है, एंड सेक्टर क्या है बच्चों? टू डायमेंशनल है जो कि एरिया है, ठीक है बच्चों। चलिए एक और इंपॉर्टेंट चीज देखते हैं जो कि हमें इस चैप्टर में काफी मदद करेगी। तो देखते हैं, ये एक सर्कल हो गया बच्चों, ठीक है। अब ये तो आपको पता है ये सेंटर है ना। अगर हम कोई भी दो पॉइंट कंसिडर करते हैं सरकमफरेंस में, कहाँ पे? सरकमफरेंस में बच्चों। तो ये जो लाइन है ना, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? कॉर्ड। ये फिर क्या है? ये वन डायमेंशनल है। ये क्या है? ये लाइन है, ठीक है बच्चों। तो ये हो गया कॉर्ड, है ना। तो ये कॉर्ड हो गया। कोई भी दो पॉइंट अगर सरकमफरेंस में आपस में ज्वाइंट करते हैं तो ये कॉर्ड बनाते हैं बच्चों, ठीक है बच्चों। तो ये क्या बनाएंगे? कॉर्ड बनाएंगे। आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि लार्जेस्ट कॉर्ड सर्कल में कौन सा होता है बच्चों? चलिए कमेंट करके बताइए जल्दी से। अगर आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो कमेंट जरूर कीजिए बच्चों, है ना। एंड जो लार्जेस्ट कॉर्ड है तो वो होता है बच्चों डायामीटर, यानी सेंटर से अगर पास होकर कोई लाइन बन रही है तो वो कहलाता है डायामीटर। एंड एट द सेम टाइम डायामीटर इज द लार्जेस्ट कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल बच्चों। ये आपको बेसिक्स है, ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है। कहीं कहीं पे इसका बहुत ही फायदा मिलेगा आपको समझ में भी आएंगे काफी आगे प्रॉपर्टी जब हम पढ़ेंगे तो आपको काफी मदद मिलेगी बच्चों उसमें। तो ये तो हो गया कॉर्ड की बातें बच्चों। अब हमें एक चीज देखना है बच्चों, जब हम ये ए बी कॉर्ड की बात कर रहे हैं और ये आर्क अगर हम लोग सोच लो, ये हम लोग सी ले लेते हैं यहाँ पे, तो ए बी कॉर्ड और ए सी बी आर्क मिलकर क्या कर रहे हैं? ये एरिया को अपने अंडर ले रहे हैं ना। तो ये एरिया क्या कहलाता है बच्चों? इस केस में सेगमेंट। ये क्या है? एरिया है। ये क्या है? टू डायमेंशनल है। तो ये चीज आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि आर्क जो हमने पहले पढ़ा था वो एक लाइन है जो कि वन डायमेंशनल है। आर्क बनाता है सेक्टर और कॉर्ड बनाता है सेगमेंट। तो ये चीज आपको ध्यान में रखनी है बच्चों कि आर्क क्या होता है, सेक्टर क्या होता है, कॉर्ड क्या होता है और सेगमेंट क्या होता है। तो आर्क और सेक्टर दोस्त हैं, कॉर्ड और सेगमेंट दोस्त हैं बच्चों। तो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है, ठीक है बच्चों। आर्क, ये भी ध्यान में रखना है कि आर्क से एंगल सबस्टेंड होते हैं सेंटर में, जैसे ये वाला था ना बच्चों। तो ये आर्क है एंड रेडियस मिलके क्या कर रहे हैं? एंगल बनाते हैं। ये आपको बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये काम आने वाला है, ठीक है बच्चों। तो ये चीज आपको ध्यान में रखनी है, ये बेसिक चीज है, ठीक है। चलिए बढ़ते हैं आगे। हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं थ्योरम्स, है ना। जो सबसे पहला थ्योरम है, देखो 15.1 अगर हम देखें तो पढ़ें, आप इसको जरूर पढ़ें, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये पूरे चैप्टर की नींव रखने वाला है बच्चों। दिस इज द वेरी बेसिक थ्योरम you need to know, students. If you are not aware of this theorem, you will not be able to solve any of the questions or any of the further theorems. Okay, students. So let's continue. See, what is the first theorem explaining here? The angle subtended by an arc of a circle. See, if you go word by word, so we need to understand this theorem very easy way, right? So let's go word by word. the angle subtended by an arc. I recently explained that the angle subtended by an arc, if suppose this is an arc, how will it subtend an angle? So suppose this is the center, the arc with the help of this radius will make an angle, this angle. So when we say the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center, this is the center, this is the angle subtended by an arc, this is the arc, suppose A, B, C. So we take ACB as an arc and it subtends angle this, let's suppose this is X. So when we say the angle subtended by an arc of a circle, this is an arc of which circle? This circle. If you see it, see, this is the circle, this is the circle, right? So the angle subtended by an arc ACB at the center, see, be very careful with the words, at the center. First it's saying at the center. Again, is, so is means what? X is equals to what? Double the angle subtended by it. Double the angle subtended by it. By it means what? The same arc. Is double where? Let's see. At any point on the remaining part of the circle. Remaining part, see, we have taken this arc previously. Now what's remaining is this point. B, suppose D, BDA is the remaining arc. BDA is the remaining arc. And it's saying the angle subtended by the arc ACB at the center is double the angle subtended by it. By it means the same arc. At any point on the remaining part of the circle means what? If it subtends, suppose let's make this angle. So what is it doing? The arc is again this arc is subtending an angle, suppose Y. At where? First, earlier it extended at the center, and the next it is extending another angle at remaining part of the circle. Okay, students, so it becomes clear. Now let's again restate that theorem. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is, yani what we say here, X is equal to, is double, is what? It is double of the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Means what? Any point on the remaining part, what? This is the remaining part, this is the remaining part. Means what? If it subtend, it can subtend at any point, here, 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 excluding this ACB at any point. Suppose if it is this point, if it is this point, so we will say that X is equals to twice of Y. So you need to be very clear with the words. Remaining part of the circle means this part. At any other point means at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So you need to exclude this arc. Then only we will get the remaining arc. Okay, students. So I think it's very clear. X is equals to 2y, what the theorem is stating. Now, whenever we read the statement, we must go through the proof also, students. I would suggest you all students to read the proof also and be very clear how the proof is done. Because if you study this proof, you will be able to solve so many numericals very easily. The basic concepts lies in the proof itself. Okay, students, and I have seen that so many numericals you will be able to solve with the help of this proof only. If you are very clear with the proof of this theorem, you will be able to solve so many numerical, students. So please do not skip the proof part. Read it very carefully, try to understand it, and if you are clear with the concept of the proof, you will be able to solve each and every numerical of this chapter. It will be very easy for you all to solve this chapter. Please go through the proof of this theorem. This is the only theorem where you need to study its proof, and rest, if you understand this proof, you will be able to solve so many numericals, and this chapter will become very easy for you. Okay students, let's see how the proof is done. So let's make a bigger circle and try to figure out how we can solve it. See, we have center, we have an arc, so we have this angle. Suppose it's given here, let's see, A, B, this is the O. Let's make it C, and let's make an angle, another angle. Suppose this is the angle we can make here. You can take any point on the remaining part of the circle. Okay friends, so see, this is what, if this is X, this is Y. Okay students, what we need to prove here, X is equals to 2y of Y. Okay students, now how will we do it? A, C, B, let's mark it D. Okay, before going to this proof, we need to make some constructions. What are the construction? Draw, see, this is a radius OA, OB is also a radius. We will make a radius which will intersect the point D. We will extend this radius, make a radius to OD. Okay, and extend it. Suppose let's make it E. Okay students, now for your information, please be very attentive here. Okay, if you skip, you won't be able to get this. See, now for your information, let's redraw a figure. So these are the radius, this is a chord AD, and this is an extended radius. Okay, so when you see this triangle, what you can see, this is an exterior angle, these are the two radii. Radii means what? This angle and this angle will be equal. Okay students, if you can see, these two angles will be equal, and you all know that this is an exterior angle which is always equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. What I am saying, exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles. Why I am saying interior opposite angles means what? These all are the three interior angles. What I am saying, opposite one means what? This is not the opposite one, so opposite of this exterior angle will be this and this. Okay, so we will, when we see, suppose make it suppose this is A, so this will be also A. Let's make it B. So what we will get here is B is equals to A plus A. So what we get here, B is 2A. You can mark here like AOE is equals to what? DAO plus ODA. This is what I have given the value A here. Okay students, so I have made this angle A, this angle A, so, and this angle B. Okay, so what we get here is B is equals to twice of A. Okay students, now similarly, when you take other part of the triangle, that is this triangle, let's see this triangle. If I try to make this triangle, this is the extended radii, this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the chord BT, this is the center. So similarly, when these two sides are equal, you know that in isosceles triangle we have a property called when two sides of the triangle are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. Means what? If these are the two sides you are considering to be equal, then the angle opposite to this side is this angle, and angle opposite to this side is this angle. So with that property we come to know, suppose we have marked here A and this one was B. Let's make it C. So this is also C using the property of a triangle. And let's make it D here, this one. So again this is an exterior angle, and this angle D will be equal to what? Angle C plus angle C. So what we come to know, angle D is equals to C plus C, that is twice of C. For this triangle we got B is equals to twice of A, and D is equals to twice of C here. So merging this two statement, you will get B plus D. This one was D and this one was B. That's totally makes X. So what we got, B plus D is equals to what you can write, friends? B is twice of A and D is twice of C. B plus D represents X, and twice of A, twice of C. What we will do is A plus C and 2. Now A plus C, A was this was C. So A plus C makes Y. So this is our proof. We have used two different properties here. The exterior property, that is the exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles. First property is this one. Second property is what? When two sides of a triangle are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. I am restating these properties again and again because these are the properties which you're gonna use in the upcoming examples or the questions, and using these properties you will be able to solve most of the exam questions in the given exercises. So friends, I hope this theorem is clear to you all, and if you have any doubt regarding this theorem, please comment in the below section. I hope my words were very simple to make you all understand, and I hope you people like it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And I hope my words were very simple. I am trying to keep my words very simple. I am talking very slowly so that you people can understand each and every basic concepts what I am trying to explain to you all. Okay friends, let's continue to the second part. If you people are not able to understand the words, see, I was very slow with my words, remaining the arc, substanded by it at the center, remaining part of the circle, okay, at any point on the remaining part of the circle. These are the two words you need to be very clear. Means if you understand this, you will be able to see any other figure very easily. You will be able to relate this theorem to any examples, any question, friends. Okay friends, let's continue with the next part, next question, what it is. Okay friends, I would like to add something to the first theorem. See, I would like to explain the figure number 3 also, friends. See, this figure number 3, I hope most of the students find it's difficult to solve the question, pattern number 3. Yeah, figure number 3, I would say. See, this is also the The figure number 3 can also be solved using this theorem, friends. See, what is it given? This is the one. Okay, not the figure number 3. Let's take it in a different way. You can make it okay. Figure number 3 is also good. No problem. See, this is the center. This is the radius of the circle. Let's mark it A, B, and then let's make it C. So friends, using this theorem, how do we explain these angles? This angle and this angle. So if I take an arc, suppose, if I take an arc, let's suppose A, B, and this is C. Okay, what is it making an angle? So this is the major arc. Earlier in the figure number 1, we used a minor arc where we made a circle. This was the minor arc subtending an angle X in the center. So if we consider the major arc, means what? Just opposite. Major arc is what? This one. What will be the angle subtended by it at the center? This is the angle. So let's suppose this is the angle X. It is subtending at the center. Now what will be the angle subtended by it at remaining part of the circle? The remaining part of the circle will be this part. So what will it subtend? It will make this angle. In short, if this is the major arc subtending an angle X at the center, and the same arc will make an angle Y at the remaining part of the circle. This is the remaining part of the circle, circumference of the circle, remaining part of the circumference of the circle, right? So this A and B, in short ACB, the major arc, will subtend angle Y at the remaining part of the circle. That is, sorry, I need to make it 80. So this will be Y, you know. So according to theorem, this will be what? X is equals to twice of Y. You need to use this theorem in this major arc and minor arc, friends. Once you are clear with this minor arc and major arc, you will be able to solve lots of numericals very easily. Within 2 minutes, within 1 minute, you will be able to visualize the solution of each and every question very easily, friends. So what we can conclude, let's see, let's make a conclusion of this theorem. See, I am taking time to explain this theorem because this is the basic theorem. Once you are done with this theorem, you will be able to do all other theorems very easily. Those all are the extended part of this theorem. So again, first theorem, we got the minor arc subtends angle Y at the center, or X, let's make it X at the center. So at the remaining part of the circle means what? This was the remaining part. So it will subtend maybe here, let's make it here. So if this is Y, so we will get X is equals to 2Y, friends. Similarly for the, now we will do with the major arc. If this is the, okay, let's do with this only. When we take an arc AB, so for earlier we took this minor arc, now we will take this major arc. Okay, friends, so major arc subtended angle what? X. Now at remaining part means what? This part. So this will make angle something here. Suppose this is Y, right? So here also we are getting X is equals to 2Y. Both are similar. This one is for the minor arc and this is for the major arc. Okay, friends, and in the figure number 2, what you will see that it's the same, but the arc here is what? Semicircle. You will find a theorem with this only. See, if this is the largest chord, and we can say if this is the chord AB, if this is C, ACB is also an arc. So what is the angle it is standing at the center? I told you ACB arc is an arc, and if this is O, OA and OB subtends an angle at the center. So this is the angle which this arc is subtending at the center using this two radius. So let's suppose this is the x. If this is x, what we will get here? Suppose, and what will it subtend at the remaining part of the circle? Remaining part of the circumference is this circumference of the circle is this one. So where it can extend? It can extend from here to here at any point. Let's suppose this is the point. Let's suppose this is the angle y. It is subtending at the remaining part of the circle. What you will get here is x is equals to 2y. Same thing, even if it's the diameter. Okay, friends. Now let's make it clear. See how this makes the other theorem. See, if this is the diameter, and what this arc becomes, what this part becomes, semicircle. What this part is, semicircle. So when this, what we will see, when it's a diameter, x will be what, 180 degree, and y will be what here, 2 into 90 degree. So this is our second theorem that states that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. See how beautifully you could get to the other theorem using the first one. That is why I pressurized you all to learn this theorem very nicely. So our next theorem using the first one, it's very easy, that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degree, or the angle subtended by a diameter is 90 degree at the remaining part of the circle. So friends, see how easy it became for you all to understand this. Okay friends, for today we will stop here. I hope you people, you students, were comfortable with my words. You liked my video and it was very easy for you to understand this theorem. So friends, if you have liked it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Share with your friends as much as possible, so that I become more motivated to make more videos. Okay friends, see you in the next part of this chapter. Till then, bye bye. Hope you people do very well. In the meantime, you can watch my other videos also. Thank you friends. Thank you.